Hi Land Cruiser lovers. Welcome to DIY and Fix It. Have you ever cleaned your car cabin air filter mesh? If not, please follow me. In this video you are going to see how we clean it. It is pretty simple. You can do it at home. Do this and keep your car air condition run better. Gently remove the glove box. Put it somewhere safe. Remove the plastic fastener clips carefully. Pull the air duct out. Now you can access the air filter mesh. Carefully pull it out. My camera is flickering. I'm filming with my left hand. My apologize, guys. As you can see, it is dirty. This is the right time to clean it before it get worse. Simply you can wash it in a bucket. It is pretty clean now. This is flexible. You can bend it a bit and place it back. Put the air duct back. Fasten the fastener clip carefully. Fix the glove box. It is done. Now enjoy the fresh air from your car air condition. I'm going to start this vehicle to feel the difference. Thanks for watching. I would like to remind you guys, don't forget subscribe the channel and watch more DIY videos.